Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Anzur Ahmad, lecturer history. Our today's topic for 12th class students of each subject is why was the Jotedar a powerful figure in many areas in rural Bengal? Dear students, in this question we have to know about Jotedars. Who were Jotedars and how much powerful were Jotedars in the rural areas of Bengal, or what role was played by Jotedars in the rural areas of Bengal. Dear students, Jotedars was basically a class of rich peasants in the Dinajpur district of North Bengal, and we understand that in a survey of a Dinajpur district, Freshers Bekanin has thrown a lot of light on the role and importance of Jotedars in Bengal. It is believed that by the beginning of the 19th century AD, the Jotedars had become very powerful in many areas of Bengal. Thus, the Jotedars did not remain mere peasants, but they had become very powerful with the passage of time and played a dominant role in determining various affairs in the rural areas of Bengal. It is believed that the Jotedars had got control over vast areas of land, sometimes as much as several thousand acres of land. Their complete control and rights over that land, which was in thousands of acres. It is also believed that the Jotedars controlled local trade and other economic activities. They used to take commissions from different traders and claim other commissions from people who were carrying on different kinds of economic activities in the rural areas of Bengal. The Jotedars played the role of moneylenders and had complete control over poor cultivators of the region. Means that at the time of cultivation of various crops, these Jotedars used to lend money on interest to the poor cultivators of Bengal, and at the time of harvest, these Jotedars used to demand maximum share of production from the poor peasants of rural areas in Bengal. So these people, the Jotedars, had complete control over the cultivators in the rural areas of Bengal. A large part of land of Jotedars was cultivated by sharecroppers known as Adhyars and Bargadars. And we understand that what were the sharecroppers? It is believed that these sharecroppers, also known as Adhyars, brought their own plows, labored in the land of the Jotedars, and handed over half of the production to the Jotedars at the time of the harvest. That is what we call sharecroppers. The Jotedars made these Adhyars to cultivate their lands, and at the time of harvest, the Jotedars shared half of the production of the cultivation which these Adhyars had cultivated in their lands. The Jotedars were located in the villages. Thus, we can say the Jotedars who are located in the village areas or rural areas of Bengal exercised direct control over poor villagers and different activities of the villagers of the day-to-day life of the villagers in the rural areas of Bengal. In other words, we can say that within the villages, the power of Jotedars was more effective than that of Zamindars. Zamindars were the people who had huge land estates under their control. But the zamindars were more often stationed in the urban areas, living in the urban areas, and jotedars were located in the villages and thus exercised direct control over considerable section of poor villagers. And the jotedars were most powerful in North Bengal. Thank you.